Hello guys, I would like to show you how to fix an hotpoint FF200E freezer blinking lights off. So as you can see, both lights are now blinking, and the only way to do it is so easy. Open your fridge and you'll find the dial. You have to put it on the lowest level, or as much as possible put it on an off, and the other one as well. Then start pressing both dials. There you go. Once you hear the light, the blinking sound, it will automatically turn off. Then you can put the dial on to the desired temperature. So that's how it's easy to be done. Thank you. Have a nice day.